If you ride with me, I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes.
Hello guys, what's up? Today we're going to review over a skin, and Nick here is gonna help me, but he does not have the skin yet, so we're gonna have to do it on my side for you guys. But yeah, let's get right into it. So guys, here we have the skin, and Nick is right behind me. Say hey, Nick.
What's up?
He said hello. And yeah, this is the back bling. The pickaxe, which I think it has a splash effect. Yes, it does. What about a contrail? No contrail. Now, he didn't come with a wrap or a glidle, so I'm just showcasing this wrap. And the glidle, we can actually go to that right now. This is the glidle that I chose for him, because it kind of looks like a Beyblade, and Beyblades are basically metal spindles that have like a soul. But at least that's what the anime is. So yeah, that's the back bling, the pickaxe, and the glidle. Let's do the emotes. Well, the emote, which it's a cannon. Let's try it again. And then let's do, like, showcase the wrap just to see what it looks like. There's not that much with this skin other than like this. I forgot to do that. But that says roll out like the movie. In fact, let's go in here so I can showcase that. So, yeah, roll out like the movie. Then there's a spray. By the way, the spray you get for free. Yeah, even if you don't own the battle pass, you get it for free. But yeah, that's a spray. And yeah, I think that's everything. Even the gun wrap is... For my gun wrap, I actually chose the gun wrap which was in the level up quest pack. I didn't get to showcase that because I had technical difficulties, like I said in my last video. So really, if all of the people that are on like my other channel, by the way, which is 911 Nightmare Fang, and I think it was the boys or the team, but no, it was 911 Nightmare Fortnite edition. I don't know. But if you were on that channel, you might want to switch to this channel, because, yeah, that channel is no longer going to be functioning. Like, it's no longer working. But yeah, this is everything that I have for it. And yeah. So if you like this video and found it helpful on if you want to get the skin oily or not, yeah, like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my past videos on my other channel. So see you guys next time. Peace.